Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to take a look at the Mars Hydro SP150. So Mars Hydro just sent me this grow light to try out, and I'm going to show you the unboxing and do a power test and show you how it looks and go over the features. They also sent me a grow tent, which showed in a previous video. So this is going in there, and I'll be doing a grow test, hopefully with some Rocotos. I'm going to start some seeds under this light, and we'll follow the progress over the next few weeks. Let's go ahead and open this up. We'll take a look at it. Really nice packaging. It's got a wooden board, styrofoam. It's pretty heavy duty. That's how the SP250 light came as well. And just as a side note, I did unboxing the SP250 last year and I had some issues with mites with the initial grow test, but I solved that problem, and I'm going to be doing full grow tests under that light this year also, probably starting about the same time I do this one. So that's coming. I'm just sorry for not having that sooner. So it's got some stickers. These actually come with the grow tent also. It's pretty cool. Okay, so this is how it looks. There is a kind of hard to see in the light, but kind of see it there. There's a waterproof coating on here. These are Epistar 3030 LEDs. There's a mix of 3000K, 5000K, 660 nanometer red, and 730 nanometer IR. Driver, and I'm going to let the styrofoam kind of support this while I show it. So it's got the case is basically one big heat sink to vent heat from the sides and the top. Power cord there. I don't believe this one is dimmable like some of the other lights. So you got the Mars Hydro branding on the piece there. Kind of small looking driver there. So what they list on their product page is 134, 135 watts, but I'll do a quick power test on that. So it comes with a user manual, assembly instructions. You can I don't know if you get daisy chain. Showing daisy chain. I don't know if it's available on this model or not. I don't see any connectors for it. It gives you like the recommended hanging heights and for different stages of growth. That's that. This also comes with some rope hangers. I'm so glad the grow light company started including these, because I was having to always buy them separately. So these attach to the light itself, and then these attach to these hang in your grow tent or wherever you want to put it. So yeah, let's go ahead and plug it up. We'll show you how it looks. Part meter I've got I don't think is really good for doing reviews with. It's not really industry standard, so I'm going to go with the data they've got. And there's some other reviews on this that do the part test, but according to their product info, at the dead center at 16 inches, 663 ppfd. 18 inches, 561 ppfd, and 12 inches, 985 ppfd. They recommend it as a replacement for a 250 watt high intensity discharge light. It's IP65 waterproof. Recommend this seedling or seeding and germination height at 24 to 30 inches, veg 18 to 24, and bloom 12 to 18 inches. It's a really nice size, perfect for a 2x2 grow tent. Let me plug it up. All right, here goes. See how bright it is? It is really bright, just looking at it on the camera. So I'm getting 129 watts. You can see that. So just a tad under what they advertise, but still doesn't, I mean, when you end up within a few watts, I think it's like a plus or minus is what they listed it as, so maybe a little more or less. So mine's doing 129, 128, still fine. That's a lot of output for this size light. And like I said, I don't think there is a dimmer or anything, so what you get's what you get with this. It's still fine. Yeah, it's a really bright light. You can see the, I guess some of the red and the ones that are barely lit, probably the IR lights. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, so can't wait to get this started. Probably within the next week or so, I'll have it set up for my Rocotos. And I've already shown you the grow tent. I'll show you when it's, show you the setup here, and then I'll show you the progress over the next month or two. Okay, here's the SP150 setup in the grow tent. I haven't adjusted the height, but it's probably okay for now while these are germinating, but I'll probably bring it down to about 24 inches once they sprout. But I'm going to go 3 chocolate Rocotos and 1 gallon fabric pots in cocoa core. And I've got them in, this is just straight cocoa, but I've got a rapid rooter plug in each one. And I put an extra seed or 2 in these just for redundancy. I watered it in with a little bit of recharge. Got these little cups, or little storage containers for humidity domes. It's sitting on a little storage rack inverted on top of a 1020 tray. This is just to allow some air on the bottom of the pots and also to catch the overflow when I water these. So I'll probably be watering these with either Master Blend or Mega Crop. Haven't decided yet. Yeah, I'm going to do a separate video showing the grow progress on these, but this is how I have it set up. And I'll probably, if as humidity increases, I'll probably add a exhaust fan to take some of the humidity out, and maybe an intake fan just to keep some air circulation, and another just a regular fan, small fan inside the tent. So right now they're just germinating, and they should sprout within a few days, and I'll keep you updated on the progress. So it's the how the SP150 looks in the tent. And anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hope you liked that. Please like, comment, and subscribe.